Hello curls, it's Yolanda. We're going to be doing a textured top knot. This is the before and this is the after. So if you're interested, keep on watching. A few days ago, we used Alikay Naturals Super Twisting Butter to create 2-strand twists. And as you can see, they look a little bit dusty. So we're going to be using the Lemongrass Sleek and Shine Finishing Oil to basically refresh these twists. This instantly adds shine, and it also eliminates you from creating unwanted frizz. As we're untwisting, you can see how amazing the twists still are. They're very moisturized, the definition is there, and we're ready to style. I love when products can speak for themselves. Like, look at the shine, the definition, the moisture. You can see it. Now we are just going to separate these sections a few more times and pick it out, throw it out. I'm only throwing out the roots and the length of her hair. I want the ends to remain defined. This is Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Styling Mousse. I'm going to use just a small amount of this to put on the perimeter of Taylor's hair so I can start putting this up into a puff. Now this is a lightweight hold, and depending on how much you use, of course, it's going to work even better, but I just put a small amount just to put it in a puff. To make Taylor's bun more bulky, what I'm going to do is use a rubber band, or you can use a goodie hair band, and place it in the center of the puff. This creates like that faux donut that most people use to create a bun, but I'm basically making it out of her hair. And then I'm just going to carefully place the ends of her hair around it to create this amazing textured bun. How innovative is this? And it looks so cute, right? And I love having the little curly cues sticking out a little bit because, again, we want to show the texture. Now to clean up the perimeter of her hair, I'm going to be using the Slay and Lay Edge Gel, which is also by Alikay Naturals. We're using all Alikay Naturals products. As you guys know, I currently am their creative marketing coordinator, and I love it. And I'm so happy that I'm able to create content for the brand and also for my channel. It's like the perfect marriage. But this Edge Gel, y'all, let me tell you, if you try this Edge Gel, I guarantee you will never use another one ever in your life. With this Edge Gel, it not only styles your edges, but it helps to nourish and strengthen your edges at the same time. So going up a few notches is the Lemongrass Hold It Styling Gel. I would say this has an extreme hold because your hair will be stuck for a few days and you literally will have to either add water to your hair or wash your hair to get this gel out, which is a good thing because if you want a gel, you want it to work. So now we're just going to smooth this up to make sure the back of her hair is perfect and in place. Again, we are using Alikay Naturals Lemongrass Style Collection, and you can pick this up at Target or on their website at alikaynaturals.com. And here is the final look, an amazing mega textured top knot bun. This is a perfect style for either yourself or your children, especially during the holidays when you don't want to really be doing hair. It's a simple style, and again, we started out with dusty twists. I want y'all to remember that, because look at these and look at that. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, you can pick up these products on Alikay Naturals website, or you can even go to Target or use the Target app, and I think they have a 30% off deal going on right now, so hurry up and see if it's there. Bye, you guys.